amazing. He scores every game. What I'm happy about Brahim is not only he scores, he changed his mentality. Tonight, what he do, running a lot, he's fighting, he keeps the ball, he send a message for his team, and in the team spirit is very important when you see your best player is running like this. After, if he scores, it's very important for us, but what is important is he work for the team, he do what I want, and he believe on what I want. And he changed his mentality. I work a lot with him about this. He can be a best player of the world if he wants to work a lot for the team, and he changed this, and of course today is the X factor of my team, but not only Ibrahim. But I'm very happy about him, and I want to tell him congratulations a lot, because now you understand what is the Moroccan blood, to run, to fight, and to give what you have.